guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kezia. Today we're going to be doing a review on this wig. If you want to know all the details about this wig and where it's from, stick around. Let's jump into the unboxing portion of this video right now. Hurry up and put that wig on your head, sis. Okay, thanks, great. So moving on, I decided to do a glueless installation today, but you're gonna see me fail with that because I did have a ball cap underneath because of something else that I had to do, another review. Anyway, long story short, don't do ball cap method and also do glueless because your combs won't stick into the scalp if it is a frontal wig. So you're gonna see me fail, but in the end we get there, and I will use a bit of hairspray just to secure the tabs. And I did not do any bleaching on this unit. This is how it came, and if you look at the scalp, it is pretty bleached, the knots, so you gotta be careful with that because sometimes it can come across as like very thinned out, but that's just because of the bleaching. So this wig is transparent, it's a transparent lace, and it is a glueless wig. So originally I was thinking about just installing it glueless. All I did was just apply some right here where I applied the baby hairs and just the sides lightly, but you can definitely wear this wig without glue. If I had access to my natural hair underneath, I would stick the combs in and therefore it would stay put, but I do have a ball cap method on this wig right now, so I needed to secure the flaps, like the sides, which I lightly did. I didn't do anything crazy with the securing. It is their new transparent lace and it is different from the traditional transparent lace. It's thinner and up close it's more HD. It's a lower price, but you get the quality of an HD lace. I didn't actually apply any foundation or anything to the wig and it looks really good, so I'm loving that. They did bleach the knots. It was a bit over bleached for my likings where I was parting it, so I decided to wear it this way. Super cute, really comfortable. The wig fits me perfectly. The hair feels really soft. I did apply some leave-in conditioner in the hair and also some mousse and water just to achieve this wet look. I didn't want it to be like hard and crunchy, so if you apply conditioner first before you apply your mousse, it's gonna still leave it soft but still give it that wet look. The density is really good. I have no issues with that. It's pretty full, so I'm liking that. The hair doesn't smell like anything. It just smells like the stuff that I put in it, which smells lovely. I'm gonna show you guys the back of it. Super cute. Now the strap that it does come with in the back to make it glueless, it is removable. when you part it, it's very wide, the space, because it is bleached. And if you looked on the unboxing portion of the video, it did have like a special kind of lace, gave it like a fake scalp, so you don't have to actually wear ball cap or wig cap underneath it because it already has that built in. So that's what it looks like. So if I were to wear it with a part, I'd probably just use like a liner, to be honest. Just fill that in just a little. Comment below what your thoughts are on this wig, and I'll leave all the information in the description box for you guys if you want to check them out. And yeah, let me know what you guys think about this wig. I'll see you next time. Bye.